How is it hanging upside down right now?
It is wicked! The only thing is your ankles kind of hurt.
Yeah.
Swinging. But it was awesome.
You gonna hop on that boat?
No, I'm going to get the rope and you're going to pull me in.
Oh.
How?
Hi! Go,
Papa?
You look so awesome right now.
That was wicked.
Oh,
Is
okay,
KK
then
still on the
maybe we can go
camera?
lower.
Are you over here by the thing?
Nice.
Hello!
This is funny.
You look like
Really cool.
Tomb Raider or something right now.
It
Lots
was so,
of-
I would so do it again. Oh my God.
Over here as well.
Oh my stars, that was wicked.
This looks very exciting right now.
Okay, so I'm like, woohoo! Okay.
Oh, that's what that thing is for.
Oh my stars, that was awesome.
It is like 1,000, 100,000,000 rubber
Holy
bands.
Toledo, that was wicked. Oh my goodness, you guys definitely got to do it.
See, look at all those rubber bands.
I didn't use my 15 minutes.
No, you just went right up.
The only thing is I have a major wedgie that's a downfall.
So it really just hurt your ankles.
Yeah, the only thing that really hurt was like my ankles from like hanging.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
It's fun to watch. Oh.
Can I get up now?
Mm-hmm.
Wicked.
You're right side up now. Oh, that's so fast.
Oh!